Welcome back to Channel V8X, where the future of cars meets pure power, luxury, and innovation. If you love next-generation vehicles, cutting-edge design, and electrifying performance, you're in the right place. Today on Channel V8X, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting electric SUVs of the year, the 2026 Zeekr 7X, finished in this stunning emerald green color. The moment the 2026 Zeekr 7X comes into view, it makes a bold statement. Let's start with the front view, sharp, clean, and aggressively futuristic. The full-width LED light bar slices through the front fascia, giving the car a confident, high-tech personality. The emerald green paint reflects light beautifully, making the design feel premium, modern, and unmistakably American in attitude. Now move to the side view, and this SUV really shows its athletic soul. The sleek body lines, coupe-inspired roofline, and large alloy wheels create a perfect balance between luxury and sportiness. From this angle, the Zeekr 7X looks fast even when standing still, with proportions that scream performance and road presence. The back view is equally impressive. A bold LED taillight stretches across the rear, paired with a wide stance that gives the Zeekr 7X a planted, muscular look. At night, this rear lighting design turns heads instantly, making the SUV look straight out of a futuristic movie scene. Step inside, and the dashboard view takes luxury to another level. The cabin is clean, minimal, and packed with technology. Large digital displays, ambient lighting, and premium materials surround the driver, creating a cockpit that feels both futuristic and comfortable. This interior is designed not just to impress, but to make every drive feel special. Under the skin, the engine, or more accurately, the electric powertrain, view highlights Zeekr's advanced EV engineering. Powerful electric motors, a next-generation battery system, and lightning-fast charging technology come together to deliver smooth acceleration and impressive range. This is electric performance done right. From above, the drone view shows the Zeekr 7X as a perfectly sculpted machine. Its clean lines and aerodynamic shapes stand out whether it's parked or moving, especially against modern cityscapes or open landscapes. On the open road, the highway shot truly brings this SUV to life. The Zeekr 7X glides effortlessly at speed, stable, quiet, and confident. It's built for long drives, daily commutes, and everything in between, combining comfort with serious performance. And when the sun goes down, the night shot steals the show. Neon reflections dance across the emerald green body, LED lights glow with futuristic intensity, and the Zeekr 7X transforms into a rolling piece of modern art. As for the price, the 2026 Zeekr 7X is expected to enter the market at around $45,000 to $55,000, depending on configuration and battery options, making it a strong competitor in the premium electric SUV segment. This is the 2026 Zeekr 7X in emerald green, bold, futuristic, and ready to redefine electric driving. Thanks for watching Channel V8X. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because on Channel V8X, the future always drives first.